Plates flying in Montecito, as new sources reveals that Meghan Markle has reportedly invited her ex-husband, Trevor Engelson, to make a guest appearance on the highly anticipated second season of her Netflix cooking show. Sources close to the couple reveal that Prince Harry is boiling over the decision, feeling undermined and disrespected by Meghan's choice to reconnect with someone from her past, especially in such a public forum. As the drama unfolds, it raises questions about Meghan's motivations and the stability of her marriage to Harry. The decision to invite Engelson, who was married to Meghan from 2011 to 2013, has been met with disbelief by many royal watchers. Meghan's willingness to share the screen with her ex-husband is not just a personal choice. It reflects a broader pattern of her behavior that often prioritizes fame and attention over family harmony. Critics argue that this move is yet another example of Meghan's relentless pursuit of the spotlight, even at the expense of her relationship with Harry. Sources indicate that Harry has expressed his discontent in private conversations, feeling that Meghan's actions are a direct challenge to their marriage. The couple has faced intense scrutiny since stepping back from royal duties, and this latest development only adds fuel to the fire. Observers note that Harry's protective instincts are kicking in, as he grapples with the implications of Meghan's decision on their family dynamics and public image. The timing of this announcement raises eyebrows. Just as the couple was trying to navigate their new life in California, the decision to bring Engelson into the mix appears almost calculated. Critics suggest that Meghan is leveraging her past to generate buzz for her show, knowing full well that it would ignite controversy and attract viewers. This calculated move seems to further solidify her reputation as a media-savvy figure who will stop at nothing to remain relevant in the entertainment industry. The implications of inviting an ex-husband onto a show that is meant to celebrate domestic life and cooking are profound. For Harry, it's not just about jealousy, it's about trust. The couple has been working hard to build their brand and family life. Yet Meghan's actions could be seen as undermining that very foundation. By inviting Engelson, Meghan may be sending a message that her past relationships are just as important, if not more so, than her current marriage. This raises the question, is Meghan prioritizing her showbiz ambitions over her commitment to Harry? Furthermore, Meghan's decision can also be viewed in light of her ongoing efforts to break free from the traditional constraints of royal life. While many have applauded her for her independence and entrepreneurial spirit, this latest move has left some questioning her judgment. Is she truly committed to her marriage, or is she still entangled in the web of her former life? Critics argue that her actions suggest a lingering attachment to the fame and recognition she enjoyed before marrying into the royal family. As the news continues to unfold, reactions from fans and critics alike are pouring in. Some defend Meghan, claiming that she has every right to maintain relationships with her past, while others see this as a blatant disregard for Harry's feelings. Social media is ablaze with opinions, and the couple's supporters are left to wonder if this latest controversy will deepen the rift between them.